Hershey's milk chocolate.
All right. We'll take it from here.
But I was just about to say.
It's all about the milk.
Well, that's true. Here at Hershey, it really is all about the milk. In fact, it's the milk that gives
Oh, never mind, they're doing it too.
And who better to tell you all about it than our official welcoming committee?
It's a kitty cat. It's a kitty cat.
It's all about the milk. It's true that milk is an important part of the process, but let's start at the beginning, here at the Hershey factory, where the cocoa beans arrive from tropical areas all over the world. From here, the beans are sorted as computers supervise the process, sending the cocoa beans through cleaning
Oh, it's
machines.
dark. Oh my God, it's dark.
And
There's the cocoa beans. The cocoa bean cleaner. The cocoa bean. They're not
Hershey's quality
colored.
standards are of
The
utmost
beans
importance to us,
blending.
and only after the beans are cleaned and
We
strained
clean
are
the
they
beans
sent
and
on
then
to our
blend them
blending machines.
together and
Cocoa beans
large
have different flavors
quantities.
depending on where they're grown, and blending machines,
And then they
such
go
as
on
those
this
on the
machine
left,
right here.
combine beans from various
On the
countries in
Ecuador.
just the right proportions to maintain
And the
that
West
unique
Africa
Hershey's
machine.
flavor.
What?
The West Africa machine.
Look at all
Look, the beans going down right
With the
there.
beans
Where's my hand?
blended, their
Right
beans
there.
have to be
And
roasted
they
in
go on
large
that little
revolving
tube thingy.
roasters like
And
this.
they go in
We're
here.
gonna get
And then we
roasted.
get roasted in this big oven.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, it really is hot in here. Oh my
Hot
God.
in here. It's warm.
Oh my God, it's really hot. Look, there's the floor. Now he breaks the beans.
Oh, we're gonna get
The beans
split.
now roasted, they arrive here at the breaking chamber,
go
where
in
the
the
shells are
breaking
shattered into tiny fragments.
It's really
What's
blurry.
left is called the
What?
meal, the part of the bean actually used
Oh,
to
it's
make
cold. Oh my
chocolate.
God. The milling.
We're gonna get milk.
Ice cream. Oh,
The meal now pass through milling
look, now it's all
machines.
liquidy.
This grinding process generates extreme
The
heat,
chocolate
which
liquor
melts the
milk.
milk into a liquid called
Okay.
chocolate liquor. Of
And
course,
it
this
goes in
liquid
that
has no
little tube
alcohol
thing.
content. This is the liquid from which all chocolate is made. Next,
I don't know.
this large press machine is used
That's
to
the
squeeze
camera
cocoa butter
of
from the
it
chocolate
crushing
liquor.
the beans.
This cocoa butter will be
And then
added
it
back
presses
later in
them
the process
together
to make the
and makes
chocolate
them into
smooth
like
and creamy.
that. And
Well,
then
now
there's the
we've covered
grinder.
all important elements.
And the milk and sugar.
You better tell us about it.
And then there's the cows that sing our song. Chocolate. Milk chocolate. That's the milk chocolate. It's a dream. It's the milk chocolate. It's the milk chocolate.
Picture.
And then there's the milk evaporator. It evaporates the
Well,
milk.
the gals are right. Milk is how Hershey's chocolate gets its special flavor and the extra added nutritional
Oh,
value.
you can't see it.
As
It's
the
right.
gals say,
That
it's
says milk and that says
nutritious.
sugar.
In fact,
And they go in these
hundreds of
big
farms
blenders
around
and
this
they
region
blend them
and thousands
together.
of cows supply over a quarter of a
And then we
million
have these
gallons of
big,
milk
what's
each
the
and every
name?
day.
Central blending.
Central blending. The milk evaporator tower. All the way up there.
Blending. It's the
Oh,
heart of
look.
the Hershey's chocolate making process.
Oh.
Here, milk, sugar, and chocolate
It goes
liquor
down
are
in
brought
there,
together and
little
mixed in
tube.
just the right proportions to
And then
create that
stirs it
special
all up.
Hershey's taste.
And then they have stored in that little tube thingy all the
As
way
the
up
milk and
there.
sugar is combined with cocoa,
I didn't even see the
it's mixed
video of them
together
with the
until
chocolate
it
all
becomes a
stirring out the
smooth
medium.
blend
Why are
of
you
milk
talking
chocolate.
like that?
But we're not done yet. From here,
No, he's trying to
the
chop it up.
liquid
Look,
chocolate
you
beans
can't
are
find it.
infused in this
This is
chamber,
drying.
where it will
This
be
is
dried once
drying.
again. Yes, that's right. This liquid
Drying.
mixture is now conveyed to dryers, such as the one you see on your left.
Left.
The dryer removes
Sorry,
excess
the left.
moisture,
Oh, that's
which
the
results
wall.
in chocolate
This is the
froth.
dryer. Look.
The machine up ahead adds cocoa
That's
butter
the
into
dryer,
the
and I
mix.
don't know what that is. It's something weird. I don't know. You see, look, it's all
Ready for refinement.
pastiness. Look, it actually smells like chocolate. Oh my God, it's so.
Oh, that's not
Okay,
good.
I'll press the smell button on my
After all that
camera.
shaking, breaking, baking, and flaking, we're finally coming up with
Let's
Hershey's
try.
milk
Refining. Look, look, it's all chocolate
And
paste.
then you drop your
On your
phone.
left,
I'm not gonna drop my phone.
refining machines. The refining process grinds
Chocolate,
the
nom, 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 nom.
You can taste the real chocolate.
Oh, I feel like wallpaper.
Next,
Conching, what does that
the
mean?
chocolate is further refined
Oh my
by
God, it's a
a
big
new
machine,
process
look.
called conching. These heavy rollers
I wanna go
refine the
swimming in
chocolate for up to 72
Is that
hours
real chocolate?
until it reaches a
Yeah.
silky, liquid texture. The material that leads the
Conching
conching
conch.
process is
Oh,
called
chocolate
chocolate
conch.
cakes. These machines supply production lines with over 1 million pounds of chocolate.
The American chocolate bar, because we live in America.
Now, after all
Oh,
that
look,
effort,
today's
we're finally
production.
ready to make
They
a
have made
Hershey's chocolate bar.
273,400 some Hershey bars, 403,000 Hershey.
the
Chocolate
kisses?
bars in the molding line. They're then cooled and removed from the molds. The final step before being wrapped.
Packaging and shipping. The
And
cooling
with our milk
tunnel.
chocolate made to perfection, we then add peanuts, almonds, and other extras to create a world of wonderful chocolate treats. Here you see the completely automated
These are my
wrapping,
favorite.
putting the
And then
finishing touch on Hershey's
There,
world-famous
there.
chocolate and candy products. And our tour wouldn't be complete without seeing our famous Hershey's Kisses. Hershey's Kisses are made by dropping a precise amount of chocolate on a moving steel belt and quickly cooling it to form the famous Hershey's Kiss Shake. We can make over 60 million Kiss Shake products every day.
That little machine, they put some wrappers on them. You can put some wrappers on them over there. Look, kisses. It's a giant kiss. Hi, guys. Hi.
We're constantly making and
Are we
shipping the
there?
world's best chocolate to your hometown, wherever it is, to make sure you're never without Hershey's quality products. Our goal at Hershey's is to keep you smiling.
I hope
And now it's time to put you in the
I hope you liked
So
this
look up
video.
and
It's all
smile
about
at the
chocolate.
camera.
No, no, no.